So, we hitting that treasure-filled Titanic soon, or what?
Hypothetically speaking, if any VIP's still on ice, can we part them out for organs?
If they've been drifting for 50 years, Maya, those organs are jelly. I'm strictly here for the safes and the vintage wine.
Nix. Power signatures are completely dead, but the ship is warm. Someone's keeping the heat on.
Guess we won't freeze.
System pressurizing.
All clear.
Remember rule number 1.
Don't touch anything that looks like corporate shit.
No. Rule number 1 is, if I run, you run faster. I'm starting to like this place.
Looks like someone is about to get incredibly rich.
Kiro?
Rule number 1.